Very near the 10th parallel in the heart of the Americas, there's a natural treasure. It is tropical, nature, adventure, beauty. It is Costa Rica, a natural country with no artificial ingredients. Get to know nature, live the excitement, experience the warmth of its people. The joy-filled modern capital city, San Jose, offers an infinity of tourist attractions. Many museums where important collections of native gold work can be admired. Even the most recent samples of pictorial arts. Very near the city of San Jose, you may visit several national parks, such as different volcanoes like Irazu and Poas. Now let's go to the sunny Pacific. In this zone, there are two of the most important national areas of Costa Rica. Tortuguero National Park, that National Geographic magazine defines as the richest place, biologically speaking, of the planet, and a biosphere reserve declared Heritage of Humanity. If you love ecotourism, you've come to the right place. It is the largest wetland in Central America. You'll find mangrove observation spots, landscapes, fauna and flora, sport fishing, surfing, nature walks. The North Pacific is the oldest territory in Costa Rica. The dry tropical forest, the beaches, and the popular culture have made the region an obligated visiting place. Enjoy the beauty, the sea, less than 2 hours away from the capital of Costa Rica. Punta Arenas, Jacó, Quepos, and Manuel Antonio are some of these tropical paradises. Isla del Coco is located far away from the Costa Rican territory. Nominated to become one of the planet's wonders, it is a place that speaks of fantastic pirate stories and treasures, and it holds an important natural heritage with green flora and fauna species. Another one of the main attractions in Costa Rican geography is the North Zone. It has several protected areas, lakes, lagoons, volcanoes, rivers, and waterfalls. It is a rainy region with rainforests that are always green. Volcán Arenal National Park is a place of acknowledged beauty in the international range. The volcano is in constant activity, and its strong eruptions can be seen daily without any danger. Close to the volcanic massif, there are many rivers with thermal waters that possess healing, relaxing properties. It's an excellent zone to perform adventure tourism. Rafting, canopying, and other extreme sports are favorites for the tourists. A forest in the clouds, Monteverde Biological Reserve is by excellence the place for conservation of nature. Pathways among the mountains, sidewalks, skywalks amongst the trees will put you in contact with this wonderful natural treasure. A magical tour through the Costa Rican Caribbean, a mix of Afro-Caribbean inheritance, nature, beaches, and history. The region offers important national parks. Cahuita National Park and Gandoca Manzanillo Reserve are well-known places in the international scope due to the variety of species of flora and fauna that live and develop in this place. A city with history, Limon is the most important harbor city in the Costa Rican Caribbean. Its buildings talk of the plantations during the beginnings of the last century. It's monuments of Afro-Caribbean culture that preserve proudly as the traditions from Limon. North of Limon, there's Tortuguero National Park, where the green turtle goes to lay its eggs. Very near, Barra de Colorado Wildlife National Refuge, sea bass and other species of sports fishing can be done. The channels that connect Moing Harbor to Barra del Colorado are a unique show. Live the excitement. Without having to travel large distances, you can enjoy the Caribbean heat, and a few hours later, you can admire the majestic spectacle of a volcanic eruption. Now you know some of the many attractions that Costa Rica offers. Make your decision. Come with us and enjoy Costa Rica with your 5 senses. Costa Rica. No artificial ingredients.